We're going to talk about the garbage disposal in your kitchen sink. The garbage disposal is an appliance that requires some homeowner maintenance. If the chopper blades should get locked up because something got in there that shouldn't be, they provide a key that fits in the bottom of the garbage disposal in the center that allows you to manually rotate the blades back and forth to dislodge whatever has the chopper blades locked up. Also, there is a little red button on the bottom of the garbage disposal. If the motor runs too long while the blades are locked up, it will trip the power to the motor and you'll have to reset the power by pushing that little red button in. Also, code requires that the garbage disposals be on a GFI protected circuit, and this is the reset right here that if it should trip for any particular reason, you can reset the garbage disposal right here on this switch.